Warm welcome to Social Sciences class, all young minds. Today, in this video, you will be coming across different layers of atmosphere. In the last video, you came across atmosphere. What are the uses of atmosphere? What is the composition of atmosphere? What are particulates? What are aerosols? Those all things you came across. Particulates are the cause for that brightness you see in the early dawn, early morning, sunrise, before sunrise. Bright sunshine is seen in the sky. Sunset, evening, orange color it appears. That is all because of dust particles. Even dust particles are water droplets, which are called aerosols, hanging in the atmosphere, lower layer of atmosphere. They are cause for the formation of rainbows. That is white droplets through that lens. When light passes through, diffraction happens, and seven colors which are violet, yellow, blue, green, orange, red, they will be appearing in the form of rainbow in the sky. Right. Now, that's why whenever the rainfall occurs, when immediate sun shines, opposite of that sunshine, you can see rainbows forming in the sky. That is because of water droplets, which are or any liquid droplets which are transparent. What are the droplets of liquid which are hanging in the atmosphere? They are called as aerosols. These are the things which we came across in the last class. Right now, we are going to see about different layers of atmosphere. Generally, it is not that easy to study about different layers of atmosphere to the scientists. Scientists will be carrying this studying activity with the help of air balloons and also satellites which they send into the space. Got it, ma? So now let us see what are the different layers here. Actually, the atmosphere can be divided into different layers based on the chemical composition of it and also based on the temperature and density. Here we are following the classification or division of layers of atmosphere based upon chemical composition. Based on chemical composition. What are the chemical gases which are existing in this atmosphere? Basing on that, we are dividing this atmosphere into layers. Actually, it can be divided into layers basing on temperature and density also. But if we are following now, first what is said, first one, that is chemical composition of the particular area in atmosphere. That is divided into one layer. The next one, which is the difference, is divided into other layer. Where the region where similar conditions prevail, that is called as homosphere, and the region where different things prevail, that is called heterosphere. So atmosphere is getting divided into two parts. One is homosphere and other is heterosphere. Atmosphere is getting divided into two parts. One is homosphere, and it is heterosphere. So why it is called homosphere? In your maths also you have homogeneous equation, heterogeneous equation. Equation with the same degree. X square plus y square is equal to 0. 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 7. It is homogeneous equation because degree is 2 only. X square, y square. 2 x to power of 2, y to power of 2 in two equations. They are called homogeneous. Heterogeneous, when the different things will be there, that is x square plus y cube is equal to 0, and x square plus 5y square y to power of 4 is equal to that will be a different equation from the first one. That is heterogeneous. Homogeneous, similar degree in mathematics, like that. Here homosphere means here whatever the gases are there in the homosphere, they all will behave, they will have the same nomenclature and so on. They will be existing in the similar quantity and so on. So that's why it is called homosphere. Whereas coming to the heterosphere, that will be having different things existing in it. So now we see homosphere getting divided into again 3 layers. Homosphere gets divided into 3 layers. What are the 3 layers? One is troposphere. Troposphere. Other is stratosphere. Stratosphere. And other is mesosphere. Mesosphere. Got it? Another is called mesosphere. So these are the 3 layers existing in homosphere. These are the 3 layers existing in the homosphere. Got it? Heterosphere. Heterosphere also will have 2 layers. One is thermosphere, or it is also called ionosphere. Thermosphere or ionosphere. Exosphere. Yeah. The homosphere extends up to 90 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. This homosphere from the surface of the Earth, if you travel up to 90 kilometers, it is homosphere. Above this 90 kilometers, it is heterosphere. Up to 90 kilometers, homosphere extends up to 90 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. If you travel to this space up to 90 kilometers, that is, you are traveling in homosphere. Above 90 kilometers, you will be traveling in heterosphere. Able to understand that means you will be traveling in thermosphere after the exosphere. Got it? So now we see up to what extent these layers will be existing. Troposphere, first layer, it will be existing. It will be having an average distance of 13 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. You travel into space from the Earth's surface 13 kilometers. That means you are traveling in troposphere. This is the sphere where 75% of our climatic activity will be happening. All the gases, water vapor, ammonia, nitrogen, oxygen, they will be existing in this layer only. Carbon dioxide, what it do? 75% of gases will be in this layer only, and this is the very important layer, troposphere, first layer. All our weather activity, cloud formation, all happens here only. This is very important. Troposphere is very important for a hydrosphere or water cycle. What it? Because dust particles, aerosols, everything will be here only. What it? Troposphere, first layer of atmosphere. Alright. So this troposphere will be existing 13 kilometers away from surface of the Earth. Average distance is 30 kilometers. Troposphere. It will be at an average distance of 13 kilometers from surface of the Earth. Why we are saying that 13 kilometers average? From poles it will be 8 kilometers only, not anything. Or down in the south pole, 8 kilometers only. But from equator you have to travel to touch troposphere 18 kilometers. 18 kilometers. 18 plus 8 how much? 26. 18 plus 8 26. 26 divided by 2, 30 average kilometers. The average distance between the surface of the Earth and troposphere is average distance is 13 kilometers. Why? Because actually troposphere poles are at the top now. From there it is 8 kilometers only. From equator it is 18 kilometers. So to get the average distance, what we have to do? 18 plus 8, 26. 26 divided by 2, 13 kilometers. So the average height of troposphere from the surface of the Earth is 13 kilometers. And this atmosphere will be very thick near the equator. Near thick and it is thinner near the polarity. Near the poles it will be thin. But at the equator it will be very thick. It is because of heat. Heat will be getting transferred to the top layers with the in the form of convectional currents. Heat will be getting, convectional means heat, hot currents. It will be moving into the atmosphere to the higher level. So that's why the things will be, the atmosphere will be very thick near equator. It is thin, pulse ga untundi ekkada polar region. That is thick, mandanga untundi where equator, near equator, right? So to understand, make you understand, I use one or two terms of Telugu, please excuse me. Right. Now this is the layer, troposphere is the layer where the temperature decreases when we move from lower areas to the higher areas, which is, this is because of normal lapse rate, which you read in your class 8. What is it? Normal lapse rate. What is normal lapse rate? Normal lapse rate is, again you will come across in 10th class also. Normal lapse rate you have to remember. In class 10 also you will be coming across normal lapse rate, you have to remember. Normal lapse rate is the temperature falls down by 6 degrees Celsius. But for every ascent of 1000 meters, 1000 meters is nothing but 1 kilometer. As we move from mean sea level to the higher altitudes, to the higher areas, temperature falls down at a rate, what rate? For every 1000 meters or 1 kilometer, 6 degrees Celsius, or for every 132 meters, 1 degree Celsius will be temperature falling down. This you studied in your class 8. Got it? So temperature will be falling down as we move towards the troposphere, first layer of the atmosphere. Right. Next one. After troposphere, what is there? Stratosphere.